Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to talk about how to receive NFTs into your Trust wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to receive NFTs into your Trust wallet, you just simply have to open your Trust wallet application, and after that just simply open your Trust wallet application by putting your biometrics or password, and after that you will get to see this homepage. Now into here, if you look at it very carefully, you will get to see this NFTs option. You just simply have to slide over this NFTs option, and then you will get to see this receive NFTs option. Tap into receive NFTs, and then you can just simply choose any of your currencies from here. Simply choose the currency that you have, and then you can just simply scan this QR code or tap to deposit from exchange. And after selecting any of those suitable options, you will receive your NFT into your Trust wallet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.